Okay, today I'm going to show how to have an Experience Cloud site where users log in and will experience a different Slack channel connected to an account team for every single user in the system. So this is going to work by leveraging the user's account record with a Slack channel ID, and I'll show how to set that up in a moment. But first I want to demo how it works. So here I'm logged in as Rachel. Her account is Acme, and we have a Slack channel tied to this account called Acme Account Team, and she can post from Experience Cloud. Never be granted a login, but the account team supporting her in her account will see it in their Slack. Let me pull that up. Okay, so the account team supporting Rachel lives in Slack. And the messages will relay back and forth. And like we've talked about, Rachel herself doesn't need a Slack license in order to work with the team who lives and breathes in Slack. Okay, now let's switch personas here. Okay, so here I've gone from Rachel to Hannah. Hannah is under a different account called Global Widgets, and we're going to go ahead and log into Experience Cloud as her. And you'll notice that it is now bound to the Global Widgets Slack channel, which is completely separate and private from the Acme account, which I showed earlier. Okay, so that's the demo. Here's how to set this up. Okay, first, I'm assuming there's some prerequisites to do. You're going to drag the Centro single conversation somewhere on your page and have configured the rest of the setup for Experience Cloud. Now, you'll see here in this Centro single conversation, I have it tied to the account. The object is tied to the account. And we're using for record ID, the current user's .account ID. This is a this is a dynamic function from Experience Cloud. So just make sure you get the casing right and exactly how this is laid out as a merge tag. Then we give it the channel field's API name. So this comes from the account. I created a Slack channel ID of type text, 200 long, and I gave it this unique name, and then just copy the API name into here. And then uncheck require user auth, and that should be it. Now it will say this component has no data. That's because we're not logged in as a specific user yet. But like I showed in the demo, once they log in, it will look up, aha, who am I logged in as? Find that account, find that Slack channel ID, and then render it here on the screen. Okay, that's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.